how to change credit card on Cash App, or how you can add another credit card as well. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek, and in today's video I'll simply show you how you can change your credit card on the Cash App. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. Now this tutorial also applies to debit card and not necessarily only specific to credit cards. It could be for credit card or it could be for your debit card. Now first, just launch the Cash App on your smartphone, and then you have to simply select the card that you want to change. So if you want to replace a specific card, just select the card or the bank, and once you do that, just tap on the three dots right next to that debit card or that credit card that you want to change, or you want to add another one. So once you tap on the three dot icon on the top right, you'll find the option called remove or replace, and since we're learning to change it, we'll just select the option called replace debit card. Once you select the replace debit card option, you will have to enter all of those details of your card, such as your bank's routing number and so on, to help you identify your bank or your card. And once you do that, you'd have successfully changed your credit or debit card on Cash App. That's all it takes to change your debit or credit card on Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.